everybody, welcome back. Today's video is going to be about skincare. So I've recently tried out a new line of skincare from a company called Vivo Laboratories. So full disclosure, they did send me this to try out, but they're not, they didn't say I needed to say anything or anything like that. So let me tell you a little bit about it. Basically, they have a couple different lines, and the lines that I tried out was the vitamin C line. So there are 5 products in this line that I've been using for about 45 days now. So it's been a good, bit of time that I've been doing it. And what I'll do right now for you is I will put a before and after picture up on the screen so you can see what my skin looks like before I started using it and after I started using it. I mean, it's not like a miracle cream or anything like that, so you're not going to see a huge difference, but I do think that my skin does look a little healthier and a little brighter, which is good considering it is a vitamin C serum or vitamin C base, and that's really what, it's all about. So let me tell you about the 5 products. So the first product is the Milk Cleanser, and this is just kind of your generic foaming cleanser that just kind of gets rid of your dead skin, dirt, oils, things like that. Nothing fancy, but that's what I like about it. It's a good thing to use in the morning, a nice gentle cleanser. This is kind of in my everyday morning cleanser when, I don't want to do something too harsh for my skin in the morning. Okay, so the next step is I usually follow my face wash with the vitamin C repairing serum. So basically this is something that's supposed to address the signs of aging. It's a very kind of like smooth, silky thing. It's got amino acids. It's got a little palm oil on it and some wheat germ oil in it. And basically it's trying to kind of moisturize but repair your skin with all of these kind of nutrients. Then, depending on whether or not we are day or night, I will use a different moisturizer. So they had the Vitamin C Amino Day Moisturizer that I'm using, and this again really pairs well with the serum because it has that same kind of velvety feel to it. It has some of the same ingredients like palm oil, but it also has shea butter in it. It's got vitamin B5 in it, and it's, again, supposed to work together to kind of give you a more younger, refreshed, radiant look to it.
Okay, Future Christina here. I just wanted to insert a quick clip of me applying the moisturizer because I really wanted to show you how you should really push up and not really pull down on your skin as you're applying this moisturizer, or really any moisturizer in general. We got to work to fight gravity, so you always want to kind of apply in an upward type motion.
Then if we were at nighttime, I would use their Vitamin C Amino Acid Night Repair. And this also it's kind of goes along with the repairing serum, which I would also use, but then is a little bit of a thicker moisturizer. You can really see, I really like the smell of this. I don't know why, that's weird, but you can see the thickness that's there. And then the last thing they have is not a face skincare product, but a body skincare product, and it is their Amino Firming Body Cream. And this is the only thing that I've used up so far because I loved it so much. Ooh, I got a little bit left. And I don't know why, I just love this smell. But it has some coffee arabica in it, it has some collagen, amino acids, and basically it's supposed to help reduce the appearance of cellulite and just, again, to go with that youthful appearance, but now for the rest of your body, so like your legs and things like that. I don't have a lot of noticeable cellulite yet, so I can't really comment on that, but I did feel like it moisturized really well. So that's kind of a little quick dive into these products. They have a couple other lines as well. So I said this was the vitamin C collection. They have the retinol collection and the collagen collection as well, depending on what you're looking for. They have face masks and body scrubs, and they even have hair products and things like that. So I think it's definitely worth a look. vivopl.com is the link, and I will also link to all these things in the description box below. So if you have any skincare that's kind of, you know, an up-and-coming skincare or something that's not well known, I would love to hear about it in the comments. So please share that with me and with all the other viewers. And it really means a lot to me that you took, you know, this couple minutes out of your day to watch this video of mine, because I'm really trying to bring you guys things that I enjoy, and I just love sharing things. So I'm very appreciative of you watching this video. If you did enjoy it, I hope that you would give it a thumbs up. And if you want to keep seeing what I have and hopefully, you know, growing with me as I, you know, go on this crazy YouTube sharing journey, I would love for you to subscribe. So as always, stay beautiful. Bye.